Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Digital Storage Oscilloscope 200MHz HDS2202S Oscilloscope 200MHz Bandwidth Guide. Digital Storage Oscilloscope 200MHz models are becoming essential tools for electronics engineers, technicians, students, and hobbyists who need precision diagnostics in modern circuit analysis. The HDS2202S oscilloscope stands out in 2026 as a powerful 3-in-1 instrument combining a dual-channel oscilloscope, multimeter, and waveform generator in a compact design. Check the video description for the updated price link. Built for both professional and educational use, this device brings high-end laboratory functionality into a portable format, making it a valuable addition to any electronics toolkit. Whether you are troubleshooting embedded systems, analyzing signal integrity, or testing analog circuits, this device provides reliable performance with its 200 MHz bandwidth and intuitive interface. In this review, we will explore its features, performance, advantages, drawbacks, and real-world usability in detail. 200 MHz bandwidth ideal for high-frequency signal analysis in advanced electronics applications. Dual-channel design enables simultaneous waveform comparison for more accurate diagnostics. 3-in-1 functionality combines oscilloscope, multimeter, and waveform generator in a single device. High-resolution 3.5 LCD clear display ensures precise waveform visualization even in complex signals. Waveform generator generates test signals for circuit testing and simulation. Portable design compact structure makes it easy to carry for fieldwork and lab environments. Advanced sampling rate ensures stable signal capture with minimal distortion. The HDS2202S is designed with durability and portability in mind. The compact housing ensures it can withstand regular lab usage while still being light enough for mobile technicians. The button layout is intuitive, allowing users to quickly switch between oscilloscope, multimeter, and waveform generator modes without confusion. The 3.5-inch LCD screen is bright and responsive, offering clear signal representation even under different lighting conditions. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during long testing sessions, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Performance is where the HDS2202S truly shines. With a 200 MHz bandwidth, it captures high-speed signals with impressive accuracy, making it suitable for RF testing, digital circuit debugging, and embedded system development. The dual-channel functionality allows engineers to compare signals in real time, improving troubleshooting efficiency. The waveform stability is excellent, with minimal noise interference during signal capture. This makes it reliable for both analog and digital applications. Even complex waveforms are displayed with clarity, allowing users to analyze voltage variations and timing issues effectively. One of the most valuable features of this device is its integrated waveform generator. This allows users to simulate signals for testing circuits without needing external equipment. It supports multiple waveform types including sine, square, and triangular signals. The built-in multimeter adds further versatility, enabling voltage, current, and resistance measurements. This makes it an all-in-one diagnostic tool, reducing the need for multiple separate instruments in a workspace. In real-world applications, the HDS2202S performs consistently well across multiple scenarios such as circuit debugging, sensor testing, and microcontroller development. Engineers working on Arduino, STM32, or Raspberry Pi projects will find it especially useful for signal validation. Its ability to handle both low-frequency and high-frequency signals makes it a flexible tool in both educational labs and professional environments. When compared to traditional oscilloscopes, it offers similar functionality in a more compact and cost-efficient package. For professionals who also work with woodworking or mechanical systems alongside electronics, pairing this tool with a sliding compound miter saw category setup in a workshop environment can significantly improve productivity and project integration. Check the link in the description to get yours today.